Okay, you asked for it, so here it is, a tour of my workshop. This will be a brilliant video if you ever have any trouble sleeping. So this is it. This is my workshop. I have a not very big garage, but you know, it's fairly cram-packed full of stuff. So we'll start off down here. My air compressor for compressing air. Then we have a bench drill for drilling benches. And we have a bench grinder for grinding the benches that have just been drilled. A bandsaw for sawing bands. The lathe, the first actually interesting thing. Use it for sort of turning all sorts of things, own custom flywheels, plunger heads, plunger tubes, all sorts of coolness. Making up my own barrels as well, that's pretty handy for that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Over here, charging, soldering station, the bench power supply there, which is pretty handy. Got all adjustable voltages and stuff. It's great for testing flywheels and circuits and motors and things. Saves having loads of little battery packs laying around. Soldering iron, main cutting mat, workbench. There's a super secret project I'm working on at the moment. It's not that really much there's a secret because I'm showing you now. And then the slightly more interesting is my laser cutter for cutting lasers. Great for sort of cutting sheet material and making sort of custom panels, barrel spacers and stuff like that can be done on a laser cutter. It's like a 3D printer, but for people that are really lazy at modelling and impatient, because it takes like 10 minutes rather than 3 hours to make a part. Various power tools, parts. Yeah, it gets boring now.